Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to start Steam games in either windowed or full screen mode. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top menu bar where you'll see several options. Click on Library to access your game collection. This is where all your installed and available games are stored, making it easy to manage their settings. Now, in the left panel of your library, you'll see a list of all your games. Find the game you want to configure and right-click on it. A context menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Properties. This opens a dedicated settings window for that specific game, giving you control over how it launches and runs. In the Properties window, look for the section labeled Launch Options. You'll notice a text field directly below it. This field is specifically designed to let you add custom commands that modify how the game starts up. It's a powerful feature that gives you more control over your gaming experience without having to adjust settings every time you launch the game. Here's where you make your choice. If you want the game to open in windowed mode, which allows you to easily switch between the game and other applications, type -windowed in the text field. This is particularly useful when you're multitasking or prefer not to have the game take over your entire screen. On the other hand, if you want the game to launch in full screen mode for a more immersive experience, type -full screen instead. Full screen mode eliminates distractions and makes the most of your display, which is ideal for action-packed games or when you want complete focus on gameplay. Once you've entered your preferred command, the setting will automatically save. The next time you launch this game, it will start in the mode you specified. And that's it. You've successfully configured your Steam game to launch exactly how you want it. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.